Hey everyone, welcome to my page. Today's video, we're going to be riding my ice scooter all the way to Maplewood Rock and Gym Club. Sorry you're not going to be joining me on my scooter. I cannot, for the life of me, find my cell phone holder. I don't know what happened to it, but once I get there, I'll film showing you guys I got there safely. This is going to be an interesting ride. I'll put a picture right here where that is and where I am. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. Right now, I scooter to Maplewood and Rock and Gym Club for my Saturday sale, or my weekend sale show. I'm 𝑎AAA Rockhound. This is gonna be fun. Hey guys, so I made it. There's the scooter right there, and there's my tent. I'll probably be live pretty soon, finishing up all the things. He's done setting up. These two just got there, and you know him. And then she's all done and all that stuff. I'll go inside and show you guys too. So here's, these people haven't opened their thing yet. So these people, friend there, friend Britain over there, all these people over here. Another vendor friend. Go follow him on Instagram and Facebook. These people over here are me. I never met them before. Let's go to see one of those. Haven't seen those in a long time. She's got her little corner. Yeah. And this gimbal. Right. Never know what sells, huh?
I know. It's crazy.
Right. It's all the outside vendors. What I was talking about is this geocrusher thing here. That's always cool to see. Now we're going to go inside and see how it is. A lot of vendors than it used to be 8 years ago. It used to be me and 3 others outside. Gotta do a video before it gets crazy. Ooh, look at the flower. Yeah, smell-o-vision. I don't know where they are. They're way late. You missed a spot.
I gotta find room for 2 more.
Probably put them in front of that sign.
Yeah.
Put the sign over here maybe.
Yeah, that could work.
You all ready? Alright, just doing the videoing. Good rose quartz. I've been seeing a lot of people trying the dog tooth calcite lately. You always need to see. Oh yeah. Had to come in before it gets crazy. I know some people aren't here yet. It's kind of weird. Yeah, before it gets crazy. He's got all the jewelry. Mike's table. He always has kids too. Those little trays are always neat.
Oh, thank you.
I use fossil trays for my stuff.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, I usually use the white onyx trays.
Yeah.
They're cut on shells, but they're just sort of hard to pack up and
Right. Look at all these weird. That's all opal there. Look at all that. All his stuff. That's just on the inside. So, fun stuff. Hope you guys enjoy this little walkthrough with Maplewood Rockin' Gym Club, the April show. Don't forget to like, comment, share your communities, and hope you subscribe.